867 pounds, Sting, Scott Hall, and Kevin Nash, the Wolfpack.
Big match coming up, guys, as we're just moments away from 3-on-3 action.
And there's no telling which way this will go, Michael. Not when you have these 6 superstars in the ring.
This is so exciting! The hounds of justice are back!
Bonded by friendship, bonded by the need to succeed, bonded by the desire to be great.
I don't think I'm overstepping my bounds, Byron, when I say Rollins, Ambrose, and Reigns have already achieved greatness in WWE.
You are absolutely right, Corey.
Six-man tag team matches are always chaotic. Buckle up and get ready, because this one is underway.
Oh, guys, it'll be interesting to see if these two teams of 3 can really coexist. When you have that many egos on the same team, sometimes things don't go quite as planned. I don't even think the lunatic fringe knows what he's going to do moment to moment.
No, I quit trying to make sense of Ambrose a long time ago. I was getting headaches. That'll mess up the back of your neck. What a strike. Drop kick. Right on the money. Dropped it with a big shoulder tackle. Lariat.
Back in the ring again.
What a strike. Right on the mark.
Going to the top. High risk.
Hey, you're going to get yourself disqualified.
Seth Rollins feeling the effects right now.
He looks to be a little surprised right now.
Hey, you're going to get hurt in a match like this. That's just the way it is. There's really no way around it.
Uh-oh.
I'm afraid to think what's going to happen next.
Really working over the body.
Scott Hall forced to play defense here. But we all know that he isn't afraid of a good fight, which is what we're seeing here.
It's hard to tell at this point, but perhaps the unpredictable nature of this match is too much for him to overcome. He seemed more motivated than ever heading into this match, which makes me think he still has plenty of fight left in him.
Only one place to go when you're stuck in the fireman's carry. Yeah, down. And I can tell you it's not a pleasant trip. Nope, reverses it. This is not the place where you want to underestimate your competition. Absolutely not.
Wow, can't believe Dean Ambrose got out of that one.
Boom, what impact. On the second rope.
Using the ropes to...
Oh, man, what a hit.
Knocked right off the apron. Oh, boy, he is...
Incoming. Bringing it back between the ropes. What a strike. He wants to do this in the ring. Vertical suplex.
Nice.
Roman Reigns one's unable to be contained. When this guy's on, look out.
There are times during a six-man tag match where the hostility between two teams and
caught him with a big boot.
On the mark. Now he's got to... Oh, what a super kick from the Architect. Victory is on the horizon.
Seth Rollins really needed this break.
But what can he do with it?
Yeah, right to the back of the neck.
I don't think Nash saw that coming. Can that beat Kevin Nash?
Byron, is that enough for the win?
He's got some fight left in him. Not yet.
This is what makes him one of the best in the business.
That should do it. Oh, man, that's put so many competitors away.
And he makes it to the ropes.
Did you really doubt that he would? Come on, Cole.
Scott Hall turns it around.
Dropped him with a big shoulder tackle.
Whoa, Superman punch!
game, set, match. This one is over.
Not sure how long this will last, but
right to the body, that hurt.
And there it is, boys.
When this guy's on, look out.
Hall sizing it up. Oh, he may get the 3 count right here.
I think so.
Sidewalk slam.
Got him caught. Sting is scaling the ropes. He might have it. He releases it.
And you can debate whether or not that would have been the end. Interesting decision there.
Back in from the apron. Drop kick. Beautiful. Suplex.
If I was Seth Rollins, I'd get my mind in the match and out of the crowd.
Dean Ambrose in quite a bind. This 6-man tag team match certainly seems to be getting the best of him here.
He has got to do something quick. No matter how things look now, you're never safe around a lunatic like Ambrose.
Half Nelson applied.
Backbreaker. He goes for the cover. And Sting powers his way out.
Way too early.
Stinging everything in sight right now, Michael.
Dropped him with a big look at this. Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy.
And it's Ambrose showing some agility. One.
I think Kevin Nash is done playing.
Oh, and he connects. There's no reason to lose your footing on a move like that. Come on, toughen up. That might just be
Looking for all the glory here.
2. What? Oh, he kicked out. Unbelievable.
Oh, that was close.
And it's Ambrose showing some agility.
Looking for the finish. Nash is all business tonight.
Vicious attack.
wow. What a gritty performance.
Cover here.
The ref's out. No good can come of this, Michael.
Now with complete control. Oh, and a right hand for good measure.
Seth Rollins needs to rethink his strategy because what he's doing now isn't working. And his chances of winning the 6-man tag team match appear to be slipping away.
Guys, you can tell he's drained, but I guarantee you that
Right to the back of the neck.
Seth freaking.
We got a cover.
Oh, nasty impact. Thunderous slam.
Oh, look at this, locked in. Submission move here.
Oh, look at this amazing power.
What a press. Ooh, what impact. There he goes, crashing to the floor. 1, 2. Too close for comfort.
Not yet.
Nailed it. Uh-oh. Stinger with a scorpion death drop.
This one is over.
Got him good there.
Yeah, let's take another look.
We got a cover. 1,
Well, that was a close call.
So resourceful. Oh boy, he is rolling. Yes! This one's over, guys.
His shoulders are down. 2! And he got a near fall out of it.
Wow! Hall is on fire, and nobody can contain him right now.
Hooked up. Ooh, right in the face.
Destroyed.
At the oh my goodness, crushing it. Oh, clothesline.
Seth Rollins is feeling it right now.
And what a reversal from Sting.
Roman Reigns just too fast for him.
Oh, what a clothesline.
Forcefully delivered.
This is what makes him one of the best in the business.
Down he goes.
That'll do it every time.
If I was Ambrose, I'd be careful about showboating too much here.
Oh, incredible height.
He's capable of great runs like this, no question.
Oh, my.
With a pile driver. What an assault on Roman Reigns.
He's got him covered. 1, 2. And he gets the shoulder up.
Even now, when he's been beaten within an inch of his life, Roman Reigns continues.
Big boot.
This one is over.
Stinger with a scorpion death drop.
That's how you put an exclamation.
He thinks he has it. What a clothesline. Ouch. Gets the shoulder up. Wow. What's it going to take? He's still in this. We're going to see it. Way up there.
Outsider's edge. Just when you thought he had nothing left.
I think here's the cover.
And Ambrose is rolling now, Michael.
3.
What an amazing six-man tag match.
Now let's take a look back at these guys in action.
These superstars gave as good as they got, and these fans got their money's worth from the opening bell. I'm not easily impressed, but that was one of the most entertaining matches I've had the pleasure to see in a while.
Your winners, Sting, Scott Hall, and Kevin Nash, the Wolfpack.
Talk about having to dig down deep to pick up the win.
That's a big win right there. Anytime you can pin another WWE competitor's shoulders to the mat for the 3 count, you should be proud.
I don't think anybody would have expected anything less from a match here at Extreme Rules. That was the absolute definition of vicious.